Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. So as you guys know, last time we started our lesson number 7, that is Princess Aubergine, and we're done with reading. So now let's move towards to the bookwork and question answers. So as you can see in page number 39, there is question number A. A few words is given to you, that is beautiful, tall, strong, tiny, delicate, jealous, truth, ever, high, deep, and deep. And you have to write the opposite of these words. I already done all this for you. Here are the words opposite. Write down in your neat copies. Beautiful means ugly, tall, short, strong, weak, tiny, huge, delicate, coarse, jealous, trusting, truth, lie, evil, good, high, low, deep, shallow, and day, night. And question number 2 is list contain words taken from the passage. Find a word or phrase in list B with a similar meanings to each word in list A used in the passage. So two columns are given to you, column A and column B, and you have to match each of them with their synonyms. Number 1 is farmer. Its answer is man who lives by working the land. Number 2 is skill. Its mean fine soft thread made by silkworm. Delicate mean pleased. Pretended mean made herself appear. Tenderly mean gently. And punish mean be made to suffer for wrongdoing, and tempting mean attractive. Note down in your notebook. Now let's move to the question number C, that is answer the following question in short and simple sentences. So we have to write down their question answer. Question number 1 is why did the farmer whites cut the aubergine? We done this later. Firstly, as you guys know, firstly we have to do our word synonyms of the sentences. I already done for you. Number 1 is poor. Its synonyms is beggarly. Number 2 skilled. Its synonyms is trained. Charming, delightful, destroyed, demolished, determined, set on, and wonderful means marvelous, yapil, lovely. Note down these word synonyms in your neat copies. Next is word sentences. A few words is given to you, that is seized, wonderful, charming, destroyed, skilled. This is your assignment work. Write the sentences of all these words in your neat copies. Now let's move to the question answer. Question number 1 is why did the farmer's wife cut the aubergine? Its answer is the farmer and his wife had no food, so she cut the aubergine to cook it for the meal. Number 2 is how did the princess get her name? Its answer is since she was very beautiful and dainty, just like a king's daughter, and had come out of an aubergine, the farmer and his wife decided to call her Princess Aubergine. Question number 3 is why did the queen hate the princess? Its answer is the queen hated the princess because the princess was very beautiful. The queen wanted to be the most beautiful woman in the land. Question number 4. Why did the queen kill her son? Its answer is the queen killed her son because Princess Aubergine said that the secret of her life was in the queen's son, and that if they died she would also die. Question number 5. Where was the secret of a princess life hidden? Its answer is the secret of the princess life was a necklace that was hidden in a box inside a bumblebee. This bee was in a red and green fish that live in a river far away. Question number 6. How did the king find the princess? Its answer is the king went north one day to hunt and came across a high wall with no doors. Curious to find out what was behind the wall, the king climbed over and found the princess asleep. Last question is question number 7, that is how did the princess get the necklace back again? Its answer is the prince's son asked the queen to give the necklace to him if she wanted him to eat the sweet. Once he had got the necklace, he ran out the palace straight to his mother. So here is your question answers. Note down all these words synonyms, words sentences, words opposites in your and this question answer in your neat copies, and note down this exercise number B, that is columns in your notebook. So we're done with our lesson number 7. Learn these chapters for your exams. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.